Well, my sellers would look at that as I would have explained it to them if, and just as part of the explanation process in my listing time frame, my listing seminar when I'm putting these on. But that information is something that is going to be incredibly important when it comes to the buyer investigations. If they decide to shave that down and can get it done great, the seller's going to find an advantage of that, because if they come in with something that they've discovered that the seller's unwilling to fix, or it's going to be a make it or break it for the buyer, that could be where that buyer's going to step away. But the seller didn't have to wait 17 days to get that. He was able to at least get it done in 10, depending on how the other parties adhere to the contract. And that's another whole wormhole. You can ask for things to happen in real estate, but nothing's usually immediate. When it comes time for contingencies to be removed, usually it has to be asked for.